Was day 3 of jury selection in the Shawn Tyson murder trial. He's the teen charged with killing 2 British tourists last year in Newtown. Now on Tuesday, officials told SNN Local News 6 they're still on track for opening arguments today. Now that didn't happen, but just about half an hour ago, we did hear from SNN Local News 6 reporter Jim Spiewak out there live of an update. So let's go to him and find out what's the latest.
Well, Lena, it took 3 days, but as we speak right now, attorneys are making their final decisions on their top 12 and their 2 alternates. So by day's end, we will have a jury in the Shawn Tyson trial.
Individually as a juror, they have no name. They are addressed as Mr. 30 or Mrs. 13. But collectively, the responsibility they possess in a criminal case means everything. Wednesday, attorneys continued to question 76 prospective jurors on issues they could encounter during this case.
Do you agree that the state can't pick and choose its witnesses, that we have to sort of play with the cards that were dealt?
They were asked about lifestyle.
You're also going to be hearing from some witnesses whose lifestyle may be different from yours. Maybe they don't live a life that's quite as mainstream as yours. Hearing from such witnesses, how are you going to feel about that?
And the potential jurors were asked if they could put their opinions aside if they knew a witness flip-flopped as part of a plea deal.
Would automatically discount a witness who initially said, I don't know anything, and then later on said, I have information, and here it is. Anybody that would automatically say, you know, I can't believe that person because they were not upfront.
If nothing else, the length at which jury selection has taken shows the sensitivity both the prosecution and defense are taking over the tragic loss of 2 lives.
And Lena, so far this case has been a numbers game. Over the last 3 days, 145 prospective jurors were questioned, 76 brought back for round 2, 12 are selected with 2 alternates. So after all that, we will have opening arguments tomorrow. Lena?
And then after that, we've talked a lot about this timeline. When do they expect all of it to wrap up?
You know, even after all that, again, anything can change as we've seen through the first 3 days of this, but they are still expecting to wrap this up next Wednesday. That's what they've been telling the prospective jurors.
Okay, and SNN Local News 6 will continue to follow this for you.